So hello my dear CA aspirants. Myself CA Jose Kurian, a faculty for Direct Tax Laws and International Taxes. I've been in teaching for more than 4 years and currently handling lectures for income tax in South India across major cities which includes Bangalore, Chennai, Cochin and so on. In addition to being a chartered accountant, I've completed my post-qualification in Information Systems Audit and also pursuing my post-qualification in International Taxes with ICAI Bangalore. So this video is to inform you that I have joined hands together with NDI, NAVKAR Digital Institute, to provide you the best and top quality lectures for CA Inter Paper 4A, that is Income Tax Laws. So friends, NAVKAR is actually not a new name for CA aspirants. They are pioneer in providing the best quality lectures for CA students. So in this video, I'll tell you the strategies for cracking paper 4A. So I'll give you 3 tips. Tip number 1, to understand the provisions conceptually. That means the conceptual clarity. Every faculty will come and tell you, you need to gain conceptual clarity over the provisions. But friends, how to get this conceptual clarity? In our lectures, I'll make use of simple and short example to relate a provision to your day-to-day life and in a practical angle. So that will actually help you to get a better clarity and to register those provisions in your mind. Tip number 2 is to revise. You need to revise these provisions. After completing your entire lectures in paper 4A, you need to revise to have a better interconnection between different provisions. And tip number 3, that is practice different varieties of questions. So throughout the lectures, we will handle different varieties of questions, which includes past exam question paper, RTPs, MTPs, and of course, study material problems, etc. So I hope this video is informative for you and make use of this opportunity and go through these lectures. So that's all for now, friends. Take care, stay blessed, and happy learning.